Hello everyone, Alex here from Porsche Centre Dublin, just presenting our lovely 2004 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S 996 model designation. Here's the car finished in lovely polar silver metallic paint. It's also got the Carrera 4S 18-inch wheels there, as you can see, with the red brake calipers. Nice spec in this car, is only 65,500 kilometers, 3.6 litre flat 6, 2004, 320 horsepower. If it focuses, Bose surround sound system, bi-xenon lighting system, cruise control, electric sunroof, heated seats, park assist, rear wiper, stainless steel tailpipes, Tiptronic S gearbox, and top tinted windscreen as well. 996 headlights there at the front, Porsche badging. Stunning car. Not a mark or scrape on this car either, so it's very clean. It's been fully restored by ourselves, as we are a Porsche classic dealer. Rear of the car, then you'll obviously have the rear light strip, which you can see is the first thing you notice. You got the Carrera 4S badging. You got the exhaust there either side as well, nice and aggressive. And then you got your reversing parking sensors as well. Quick look inside the car. Got your sunroof there in front of you as well. We've got the lovely midnight blue Metropole leather interior as well, with perforation in the middle. Obviously 911 seats, kind of a nice shape. Carrera 4S badging there. Electric seats as well, which are nice. Bose surround sound system. You got your mirrors there as well, which are controlled. Got your lights on the right. Tiptronic S gearbox there, which is controlled by the steering wheel, so you can gear up and down. Obviously lights and wipers there behind. Mileage on the car is only 65,374 kilometers. Instrument dials in white as well, which is nice. And then in the center you got radio, and obviously your fans and stuff, and your rear and front emisters. Park reverse neutral drive there for the Tiptronic gearbox. Electric windows in the front as well, and then your conventional handbrake. And then obviously the passenger seat's the same. Lovely leather armrest there in the center as well. Stunning car inside and out. A leather dash as well. And the headlining's finished in Alcantara as well, which is nicely finished. Gives it more of a premium feel. Petrol cap cover that side. Stunning car. Obviously this car being a part of our Porsche Classic Approved Used car range means that the car comes with a manufacturer gearbox and engine warranty as well. It also comes obviously fully restored and serviced, and fully valid and cleaned as well. If you'd like to make an inquiry on this car, for further information, give ourselves a call on 01 235 3375, and you can ask for myself, Alex Collins, Senior Sales here at Porsche Centre Dublin, and I'll happily look after you in the purchase of your next car. I hope you enjoyed the video tour, and any questions, give us a shout anytime. Thanks very much, cheers, take care.